Hello everyone, I made a new web app called Render Room. You can use it for any STLs, but it's made for the STLs that are produced with the Battery Designer. In fact, I'm going to replace the 3D viewer with a windowed version of the Render Room at some point soon. And I'll show you how to use it. It's super easy. So let's say we've got this battery and we want to present it to the customer. Or maybe it has nothing to do with the customer. We just want to get a nice, good view of all of it put together, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's generate all the parts. So that's the A side frame. We'll download this, and let's do the B side frame. Download that. And we've got this status bar here. It's actually two different statuses. They're kind of fighting each other. I'll fix that bug. Okay, now let's generate the bus bars for the A side. There we go. And the bus bars for the B side. There's a lot going on at the moment. There we have it. And let's go ahead and get the case as well. Okay, we've got that, and now let's also get the cells. And we can head on over to /render room, and we can drop all those files in. Now we've got all of our stuff here. You hold control and move the mouse, and that's literally all you've got to do to move these things. Now the frames are set up for printing, so you got to rotate one of them, and I'll walk you through that. See how it's not going to line up? That's okay. We've got these options right here. I think this is the one that'll do the trick. Okay, what that did is that rotated it along one axis. There we go. Now we've got it on both axes. So you can click and then shift click and then click materials and adjust the material together. So let's just do that. And then we've got our bus bars here. I'm going to shift click and adjust those to, you know, a realistic nickel color. And you can kind of see what I'm going to do here. There we go. Let's go down here. There we go. Got that. All right. And then let's put this down here. And there we have it. We can make this transparent. And we'll go ahead and make it a different color. And I didn't mean to make all of it transparent. So let's fix that. There we go. I need to do the transparency by item rather than global. But check it out. You can render the entire battery. And if you want to do copper, you know, you just change the color. That's pretty realistic. That's it. Thanks for watching.